Kingston Digital has just unleashed its first cable-free portable SSD, and it's ready to make clunky external drives a thing of the past. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. Dual Portable SSD combines flash drive convenience with the speed and durability of a full-size SSD, giving users a slick, wireless solution for backing up or transferring files anywhere. The device packs a metal and plastic casing into a compact 71 by 21 by 8.6mm frame in just 13 grams. Yet, it's tough enough to handle the daily grind. Kingston's dual interface design features both USB Type-A and USB Type-C connectors, so you can plug into almost anything, from laptops to desktops and even mobile devices without hunting for adapters. And if you're into speed, the Dual Portable SSD supports USB 3.2 Gen 2, serving up to 1050 MBs read and 950 MBs write. That means giant files, photo libraries, or heavy video projects will move in a flash, whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS, or even iOS and Android. Storage options range from 512 GB for $97, 1 TB for $144, to 2 TB for $239, all backed by a 5-year warranty and free tech support. It's built to survive temperatures from 0 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius in operation, and minus 20 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius in storage, making it a true travel-ready companion. In short, Kingston's Dual Portable SSD is tiny, fast, and built to last. For more updates, like this video, comment what you think about this, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.